glorify your Father in heaven. Let this remind you that your light, your compassion, your patience, and your dedication matters. You may not always receive recognition, but the lives you touch, even quietly, are being blessed and healed. There will be days when the work is heavy, when the hours are long, and when challenges seem overwhelming. On those days, remember why you chose this path. Remember this candle. This afternoon, let it remind you that even the smallest act of care can bring hope, relief, and dignity to someone who needs it most. Competence is essential, but compassion is unforgettable. May I repeat? Competence is essential, but compassion is unforgettable. You can learn techniques and procedures, but your heart, the way you care for others, cannot be taught. When skill and compassion are combined, you truly reflect the light of service and the love of God in the world. I also encourage you to practice integrity, professionalism, and humility. Respect your supervisors, follow protocols, and always act with honesty and accountability. Yan ang lagi kong sinasabi sa mga newly hired nurses. Kasi always parang weekly, mayroon kaming bagong mga nurses or nursing staff. So lagi ko itong sinasabi, honesty and accountability. Every patient you care for, every task you perform is an opportunity to serve faithfully and honorably. To the parents out there, families and guardians, thank you for your support and sacrifices. You have helped shape these students into compassionate and dedicated individuals. To the faculty and administrators, thank you for your guidance and commitment in preparing these students to keep confidently into their chosen path. And to you, dear students, this candle is more than a symbol. It represents your commitment to service, your dedication to compassion, and your calling to care for others. Let it guide you in every ward, every patient interaction, and every moment of your journey. You are the light that brings hope where it is needed most. Before I close, I want to leave you with a simple word to remember. It's a word, care. C-A-R-E. C is compassion. Always care for others with kindness and empathy. A, accountability. Be responsible for your actions and duties. R, respect. Show respect to patients, colleagues, and idagdag yun ako ang supervisors. And the E is excellence. Strive to do your best in every task, no matter how small. As you step forward in your journey, remember, C-A-R-E, care. Let it guide your actions, your choices, and your heart. Let it remind you always to serve with compassion, accountability, respect, and what? Excellence. Congratulations on this milestone. Naway patuloy ninyong light the path of service and compassion. And may God bless your hands, your heart, and your lives as you bring comfort, healing, and hope to those you serve. Thank you and magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.